First, prepare a 4 mm hexagon screwdriver. Loosen these 3 screws and remove them. Then remove the cover. We use high-temperature grease. Then use a tool to apply the grease evenly. After greasing completed, install the cover back. Install the 3 screws back and tighten them. We need to prepare a grease gun. Find the grease inlet on the gear. The chain also needs to be properly greased.